பொன்மலையே சோதி வடிவான ரூபனே என் குருநாதா என் குருநாதா என் குருநாதா அஞ்ஞான கடல் நீங்கி எனக்கு ஆத்ம ஞானம் அளிப்பாய் குருநாதா நித்யானந்தா ஆத்ம ஞானம் அளிப்பாய் நித்யானந்தா கொண்டு கங்கை முடி கொண்டு நர்த்தனம் புரியும் ஈசனே சுடலை புடி பூசி உடுக்கை தன ஏந்தும் காலனே புலிதோலனே விழிகால் உள்ள முறைகின்ற மதுரை மாநகரின் ராசனே இன்னல்களை கலைந்து இன்பங்களை அளிக்கும் சுந்தர வடமணி நேசனே ஞாயிறு திங்கள் நித்த முறைகின்ற செவ்விழி கொண்ட செல்வனே சொற்கனே எந்த சோமனே ஐயா சோதி வடிவான ரூபனே அடிமுடி காணா மலையே அகிலமும் போற்றிடும் ஐயனே நாகாபரணனே நால்வர் போற்றிட நயமுடனாடிடும் நாதனே ஆழகாலம் உண்டு ஆழம் காடுதனில் ஆனந்த நடமிடும் ஆதி செய்வனே மங்கையிடம் கொண்டு கங்கை முடி கொண்டு நர்த்தனம் புரியும் ஈசனே சுடலை பொடி பூசி உடுக்கை தனையேந்தும் காலனே புலிதோலனே மீனின் விழிகால் உள்ள முறைகின்ற மதுரை மாநகரின் ராசனே இன்னல்களை கலைந்து இன்பங்களை அளிக்கும் சுந்தர வடமணி நேசனே
नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिव समारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I'll share a very important sacred secret, a spiritual thought current which can make you manifest power. At first I am going to put few dots. It will look like I am blabbering, means it will not be a consistent statements, but end I will connect all the statements, then you will understand. I am not blabbering. First statement, I am actually continuing the yesterday's thought current which I shared yesterday, that Manata Sri Jagannatho, my mother is cosmic mother. Understand the first thought current. Source is oneness. Second, whatever you consider as you and whatever is actually you, both are sourced in oneness. Third, listen carefully. Whatever you think as you, if you remember that and fall into the source, whatever is you as you, you will experience that. Whatever is you as you cannot remember. So whatever you think as you can remember only that. Because of that, remember only whatever you think as you as first. That is why my mother is cosmic mother. Listen carefully. My source is cosmic source. Actually, when you look deeply inside and remember my mother, you will not remember that person who gave you birth. No. My source from which you are happening. Look in this way, because many of you carry many incompletions with your form of your mother, because after giving birth she has done many things which you are not able to accept. So forget about that. Remember the source from which you are flowering. Your source is cosmic source. Your source and cosmic source is one and the same. Understand, if you listen superficially, it look more like a blabbering. End, I'll put all the dots together and make you understand why I insist so much on the attitude of my source is cosmic source, not cosmos is my source. When you invoke my mother, my source is cosmic source. That my source bring tremendous acceptance of you and pushes you to the cosmic source. But whenever you remember cosmic source first, you always feel inadequate, not sufficient, not able to cope up, unable to stand up. The moment you invoke those thought currents inside, the further process does not happen. That was the reason yesterday I was telling, start from my source. Today I am telling the same thing from a different angle. Because you can remember only as you know you, not as you are supposed to be as you. Remember this and get into that. Remember this and get into that. As you are supposed to be, you will not remember. You won't be able to remember. That is only an idea or a concept till you experience. So trying to remember that will not bring you to this. How many of you are getting what I am saying? How many of you are not getting what I am saying? I'll repeat. I know it is too much. Listen now carefully. No, it's my responsibility. I have to make you understand. I cannot sulchify. And Arunagiri Ishvara never sulchified with me. The tremendous passions he showed, tremendous understandings. Actually, it'll almost be like literally he's putting his hand inside my body and doing open heart surgery. That's the way it'll look. As if he's just putting the thought currents inside me. It'll not look like a subtle, it'll be very physical. I have seen when he talks about some great truth, after listening and internalizing, I'll feel I become heavy. Means physically I become heavy. My weight is added. And in 2-3 statement, he will convey around 100 thought currents. 100 thought currents, like a bouquet of thought currents he will present. Like 200-300 roses tied in one flower bouquet. Like the 200-300 thought currents, bouquet of thought currents he will present. Listen. You, as you know, as you, is a mixture of body, mind, ideas, confusion, chaos, everything. You, originally as you, is pure consciousness, Sadashiva, Mahadeva. One of the biggest problem we face recently, somebody was telling, oh, if this Nityananda claims he is God, how will people accept? Understand, I am not claiming I am God, I am claiming you are God. I am a Hindu. Hindu means equating you, me, everything to God. Isha Vasyam Itam Sarvam. I am only interested in clarifying. Any Hindu, if you are exposed even a little bit of Hinduism, you know all traditions. The Mahavagya in all traditions declare you are God. Aham Brahmasmi, Tattvamasi, Prajnanam Brahma, I am Anma Brahma in Vedic traditions. In Vedic Shaivite traditions, Shivoham, you need to know, as per the Kamikagama and Somasambhu Patadi, to give Samaya Diksha, you have to enter into that space, you have to be in that space of Shivoham. Only then you can even give Samaya Diksha. That is what Kamikagamam and Somasambhu Patadi very clearly declares. By the way, I want all of you to know, Kamikagamam and Somasambhu Patadi is the Agamam and Patadi of Madhurayadinam. That is the Agama and Patadi we all follow in Nityananda Sangha also. Please understand. In Hindu tradition, we put everything one with God. In Shakta Sampradaya, everything is one with Lalita, Devi. In Shaiva Sampradaya, Shivoham, everything, including me, you, it's all one with Shiva. am only surprised this age-old stupid question is being repeated. Understand, our source is cosmic source. Your source is cosmic source. My source is cosmic source. Our source is cosmic source. What you know as you, what is actually you, both are from the same source. I don't want to waste too much time. I just want to give you a simple understanding. And I tell you, authenticity or truthfulness of this thought current, you will realize as experience when this thought current manifests powers in you. Understand? Any thought current can be verified, whether, like how we check whether it is made of gold or not, its original gold or not. How we verify? We have a touchstone. Same way, if a thought current manifests Shakti in you, it is Satya. If it manifests powerlessness in you, it is Asatya. That's all. This is the way to verify whether this thought current is Satya or Asatya. That's all. Sit in Shaktipada, Shaktinipada. Remember this thought current. My source is cosmic source, Mahasadashiva. My mother is cosmic mother. My father is cosmic father. My Ammayappan is cosmic Ammayappan. Remember this thought current. Invoke this thought current. You will manifest. You will manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva. So better spend a little time on playing with this thought current, manifesting. That will solve the issue. That will awaken more things. So I bless you all. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam. Maha Sadashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.